Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Let's check in on EOS. We haven't checked in with it for a bit. It's gone up through the next two key levels for us is 1356 and 1462. We're now pulling back. We're holding above the rotation zone. We've already pulled back the 25% gain level on the last push up. If this does pull back some more, watch for very key support about 1269 to 1250. That would take it back in the rotation zone and give us a nice little bigger pullback. We now have a big final push up. Is this red line here? That's a whole measured move, retracement move from all the way back at the beginning, retraced to the 21st of December, and that comes in at $15.99. We also have our GAN projections from this last push up, which also come to $16.01. So this $16 mark is going to be very, very key for at least moving stops or taking profits. And then the level above that is $16.79, but I'm really focused on this $16 mark. Let's check in on the daily chart. Oops, the daily chart. Here we go. Remember that other level I mentioned, the that's 1266 level, the 1250. That's the prior peak of the breakout zone, so that's going to be very key support. You have the rising 8 just touching this bar, going to keep rising. If for some reason we did a bigger pullback, the next major level we'd be watching was 1180. Okay, part of the prior breakout zone and the 50% retracement from this last little push up. Switching over to Ethereum 4-hour chart, held the 50-period exponential, nice and igniting bar off that, moving sideways. We're getting now the separation on the rotation zone again. It's also triggered a trend line trade. Found some resistance at this prior 12.5% pullback level. The first target for the trend line trade is this 1338 level. Then we'll be watching for a return to the high 1382. Then our next reverse GAN box is up. This is from that low that touched the 50-period exponential moving average on the 11th. Reverse projected up to the highs on the 9th. That's going to give us our 1420 level and 1458. So those are next major targets. If it does pull back again, we're watching for key support at 1213. And if that for some reason is broken, we'd be watching for a return to about 1160 on this. Let's check in on the daily chart. So here is the daily chart. See, catching on the 8 EMA, pulling back a little into the rotation zone, but now moving back up strongly. Nice correction to the rotation zone. So we're just going to keep watching for our price targets higher, and again the key support at that 1160, which is where the 8 EMA on the daily is coming in. We don't really want it to break too far below that, else we could get another bigger pullback. So what we have for you on EOS and Ethereum. Hope everyone's having a great time trading the cryptos, and we will have more updates coming soon. Bye for now.